Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Scaring yourself might distract your nervous system and disrupt the diaphragm spasms causing hiccups. However, there's no scientific proof that fear reliably stops hiccups quickly. Usually, hiccups pass on their own, but safer, proven remedies like holding your breath or sipping water slowly work better if they persist.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.